Ride control complaints have always been a tough nut to crack. Words like road force, force variation, and dynamic force are usually used when talking about ride disturbance, vehicle vibration, and tire quality. But with so many different variations of the word, things can get a little bit confusing when trying to diagnose or even describe ride control issues to customers. Let's talk more about how you can find the source of ride complaints. The approach usually used by technicians when diagnosing ride complaints from customers has been to use something called a diagnostic tree analysis. This analysis determines whether vehicle vibration is driveline related, like issues with the engine, clutch, transmission, drive shaft, motor, or transmission mount, or axle end related, like issues with tires, wheels, brake drum, or rotors, or spindle and axle flanges. If your technicians find that the latter is the problem and proper fit of the wheel to its mounting surface is confirmed, it's time to check the tire assembly balance for runout. What if there are no obvious out of balance or high runout conditions? If that's the case, the next step is often to replace parts until the condition improves. Sometimes an excessively worn or out of spec part can be identified, but in a lot of other instances, vehicle ride is only improved until it's acceptable without identifying a specific single cause or part. Sometimes, new vehicle designs weigh less than earlier versions used for the same service. Modern suspension and brake designs are a big factor in reduced vehicle weight. However, the total weight made up of safety enhancements and passenger convenience items has increased. These updates, matched with the increasing emphasis on driver comfort and fatigue avoidance, favor axle end components that are more uniform and result in lower force transmission to the vehicle suspension. There are a lot of explanations as to why tires react to road forces and transmit them in other vehicle components. A popular theory is that if force is created by the tire and road interaction could be dampened before being transmitted outside of the tire structure, vehicle ride would be improved beyond what is already possible with traditional tire balancing and assembly runout control. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage studio at Babcox Media. Thanks for watching.